Welcome to Graham Lusty Trailers. We are an Australian-owned, proudly Queensland manufactured trailer company, and we provide the highest quality products that we can to our customers to ensure that they can carry more product. The Women in Manufacturing strategy is something that I'm really passionate about. I was part of the committee that helped to develop it, and today we are super excited to be piloting the Diversity Toolkit training program. So we're bringing in the toolkit training from the Queensland Government into our business, and we're excited to learn practical tools about how we can encourage inclusivity and diversity within our workforce. I'm a mechanical engineer, and I have worked my entire career in male-dominated workplaces. I spent a number of years in the US where I was one of 10,000 employees, the only female. So I'm used to being the only female in the room and sometimes in the whole factory. But what it's actually taught me is that being a female, we have something different to bring to the table. I lead with empathy, I lead with passion, and I lead as a carer of people. And my time working in male-dominated industries really helped me to find where's my value proposition. And it is in those things that make me special. It's some of the things that make females in leadership special as well. There's a number of practical challenges that women face entering male-dominated industries. Some things are just as simple as, do you have the right toilet facilities? Have you really thought about what your culture is like, and do you have it designed in a way that is inclusive? We have a particular challenge here because it's difficult enough getting skilled welders, let alone trying to find ones that are female. So we have one female apprentice that we hired in the last 4 weeks, and I'm really excited to continue that pathway to diversity. But I made sure that I personally interviewed her and spoke with her and explained that we're building a culture of resilience and of inclusivity, and if there's ever anything that she needs, she has a direct line into me to support her.